Welcome back to Auto Review, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Tacoma, a truck that has long been a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. With a fresh redesign, cutting-edge technology, and improved performance, this new Tacoma is ready to take on any challenge. Toyota has taken the Tacoma's design to the next level. It features a bold, more muscular stance with a larger grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines that give it an aggressive yet refined look. The new frame is stronger and lighter, improving both durability and efficiency. Depending on the trim, you get unique touches like a blacked-out grille, wider fender flares, and off-road ready skid plates, making it clear that this truck is built for adventure. Inside, the Tacoma has received a major upgrade. Gone are the days of basic interiors. Now, you get a refined cabin with high-quality materials, a more spacious layout, and advanced technology. A massive touchscreen infotainment system sits front and center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, while available heated and ventilated seats ensure comfort in any weather. The TRD Pro trim even comes with exclusive sport seats and a premium JBL sound system for those long road trips. Technology has also taken a huge leap forward. Toyota's latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system, make driving safer and easier. The multi-terrain monitor helps navigate tricky trails by showing real-time camera feeds of what's around the truck. There's also an improved traction management system, ensuring maximum grip on any surface. Practicality remains one of the Tacoma's strongest selling points. The truck bed is more versatile than ever, offering an available power outlet for tools and camping gear, a new tailgate design for easier loading, and even an integrated storage compartment. Towing capacity has been improved, allowing you to haul trailers, boats, or whatever adventure gear you need with ease. Plus, with multiple cab and bed configurations, there's a Tacoma to fit every lifestyle. Under the hood, Toyota has introduced new powertrain options. The standard engine is a turbocharged 4-cylinder, offering more power and efficiency than before. But for those craving even more performance, there's a hybrid option that delivers extra torque while improving fuel economy. The suspension has been reworked for a smoother ride on highways while maintaining the off-road capability the Tacoma is known for. The TRD Pro model comes with upgraded shocks, all-terrain tires, and a high-performance exhaust, making it a true off-road beast. As for pricing, Toyota has kept things competitive. The base model starts around $30,000, while mid-tier trims with extra features range between $40,000 and $50,000. The fully loaded TRD Pro, packed with all the off-road goodies, pushes past $55,000. Given the improvements in design, technology, and performance, the 2025 Tacoma offers great value for the money. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma proves that even legends can evolve. With a fresh look, state-of-the-art tech, and improved performance, this truck remains a top choice for those who demand reliability, adventure, and capability. Whether you're tackling trails, towing heavy loads, or just cruising through the city, the Tacoma is ready for the journey ahead. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching Auto Review, and we'll see you in the next video.